Hey everyone, welcome to Break Diving's book club / stock market society meeting for this week. My name is Monroe Man, joined with Bhavya and Ismail, and today we're going to be continuing our discussion of the Candlestick Course by Steve Nison. And we'll do about 20 minutes of the review of what we've been going over, and then we'll be doing 20 minutes. We're going to open up my trading account and see if we can day trade a positive profitable trade. So I'm going to share my screen, and here we're back at the Candlestick Course. Bobby, do you remember which one we stopped at? I had written it down, but I forgot. You're muted.
$531 mostly. I'll check again because we have.
Oh, I think we posted it in the event, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So
yeah, 530, starting with 532, 532. Yep.
$528. I don't know why it's not very clear, is it? It looks very blurry.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe it's just the. Okay, so 532. We're starting with 532?
Yes.
Okay. And haven't done any of the reading and you're brand new to this, you can just follow along. And if you have a question, just let us know. And we'll answer it to the best of your ability. But basically, these are candlesticks here. This is showing a potential stock, let's say, over the course of November to January. So 3 months. And the white candles show that it started lower, it opened lower and closed higher. And the black body shows that it opened higher and closed lower. So here we have to guess which candle pattern we see and what are its implications where the arrow is. So I see a rising window here because it has that little spot there. So that's giving us a new level of support right here. It's also providing us a new ceiling, a level of resistance.
New ceiling, Aisha? Like
Isn't that a new level of resistance up here?
not there up, right? It's like
or is it still related to this over here?
Yeah, it's related to there. And another thing, it's kind of broke that resistance. It broke the resistance
from here
created by that falling window. That's a falling. There is a gap.
It looks like there's a little bit of a gap. So
yeah, a little bit of gap.
Okay, so that's what we used to do before. We would open up two duplicate tabs, and then we can scroll down to the answers. So 5.32. Okay, answer to 5.3. So they're saying it's a gap over resistance. Yeah, there's a gap. Okay. Zone of potential risk. So you were right about that. It was based on this, not up there. Okay, so together we got the right answer. And beautiful. All right, so let's go to Bhavya. Can you do 5.33?
Doji.
Looks like it, yeah.
Yes, and it's reached the support level set by the previous, what is that? Previous doji line. So it looks like risky here. Right. Doji support. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's It confirms the level of support of resistance right here.
Mhm.
And let's see, it's also, yeah, it's showing indecision, like you said.
Right.
Okay, so let's see. Wait, so which one? We're at 5.76. That was the last one. What did it say about 5.76 here? In 5.76, that's the one I just did. The market gap over resistance area set by the falling resistance line. It opened a bullish rising window. With the action, any of the potential bearish applications of the Harami in 5.75 are negated. 5.75 negated. I see. Got it. Okay. And then in 5.76, we talk about that. But this rising window has potential support. Where do we have potential resistance? For that, we turn to the early December high. That was what you pointed out, Bob. You're good. The high wave candle stalling near the resistance area from early December shows us the market is now confused in 5.77.
Yeah. Oh, 5.77.
That was the one that you did, right?
Okay. Mhm.
No, wait,
5.
5.77.
Yeah, it's 5.77 in there here.
Oh, down here, yeah.
Yep. Mhm.
5.33 is that what you did? Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay,
Right.
high wave candle, which is a form of a doji, yeah.
Mhm.
Let's see. The high wave candle stalling the resistance area from early December shows us the market is confused. The hint that the high wave candle was signaling a reversal failed to materialize as the rally pushed this market above a resistance area in 5.78. We didn't get there yet. All right, so let's go to this next one. So 5.34. And
Oh, it broke that resistance.
yeah, so this is a good sign,
Mhm.
I would say. It broke through this resistance that was up here.
Mhm.
And since it's a white candle, it ended up higher. Ishmael disappeared, unfortunately.
Strong bullish signal.
I think it's just a small, yeah, strong bullish indication. And
But
if this
still,
were me, I would consider buying it.
buying it where, because it's like next resistance is there, right? That top of that black.
Yeah, right over
Yeah,
here.
that's one. Yeah.
And I think it has some, it's likely that it will likely go up a little bit more
Fair. Yeah.
and get there. So you can maybe make a quick profit. Let's see. This is 5.34. Okay. In 5% of the upper shadow, this white real body slightly offset some of its bullish impact. This could be a very small sign of the warning that the market might have some trouble as it approaches the major resistance set by the dark cloud in mid-November. Okay, but I still think, let's see, 5.33 closed over resistance. I still think that's a good sign. Let's see. Okay, next one. Go ahead.
Okay.
But look at that. See, I would have made profit from going from right there to right there. So
Yeah. This one is called, what it's called? Piercing, no, dark cloud cover, right? It's coming after the.
well, this was dark cloud cover over here. So I imagine that's also dark cloud cover, right?
Right, yeah.
I think
It's
they
opened eye, but closed in the midpoint of previous white candle. So now it's going to decline.
Okay, let's take a look. And what did it say? The black real body in 579 completed a bearish dark cloud cover. For potential support, we could look to the rising window from early February. Keep in mind that although there's a rising window, that does not necessarily mean the market will be drawn like a magnet to that window's potential support line. Where's the rising window? We're talking about this rising window? It's the only rising window that's here. Oh, the rising window from early February. Where's early February? Oh yeah, that was the one that's talking about. Okay. And the black, so now we're going to 5.80 here. Okay, so this is a bearish engulfing, I think.
Yeah, even I think it's a bearish engulfing.
And it's just helping to show that it's potentially going to go down. Let's see. The back row body shown in 5.80 is not a bearish engulfing.
Because there is no downtrend, that's why.
Although this combination of candle lines is correct, these two lines came what? After a decline. I see. Okay, so where is it?
Not
Dark
this.
cloud cover.
No,
and
I think
not a bearish engulfing pattern because it came after a decline. It
okay.
has to come after. So this is a bearish engulfing over here, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Because we have an uptrend and then it engulfs the prior one. As we know, a bearish engulfing pattern must come after a rally for it to be a top reversal signal. A series of white, now, okay, now we're going to the next one. This is the one I think that I always constantly say, oh, it must be this. And you and Manuel's going, no, 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 no. But I think I know what this is this time.
Okay. What is this raising? It's almost reaching that support area, right?
Yeah. I
Be
think
careful here.
I thought it was those advancing, is it the advancing soldiers?
Maybe?
Oh,
okay. Yeah, it's kind of, but still it's reaching that supporting area, so you should be careful here, right?
So there's white whale bodies and the shows higher highs and higher lows, keeping the short.
However,
it's now approaching a resistance area set by the dark cloud.
cover.
Okay, got it. Yeah, the dark cloud cover there. So now, now we have a bearish engulfing.
Right.
Because we have an uptrend. Okay, so let's see. The appearance of the bearish engulfing pattern that was completed in the black body reinforced the importance of the resistance at the dark cloud cover. Yeah, so we clearly have strong resistance here.
Yep.
Okay. Next, Bhavya.
Okay. Is this one? It's not a dark. Is it engulfing?
It looks like it's the same thing that just happened.
Right.
So
yeah, it's the same
them,
thing.
Right?
Yeah, in 2 rows, and then again it's reached that resistance area and
a third time, yeah.
Coming down, yeah.
Okay. Another bearish engulfing adds onto a top built by the prior dark cloud cover. Defined by the lows of the prior 5 sessions is holding. This puts the market in a box range. Yeah. So right from here to here. Good. Yeah. Right. Box range. Okay. So let's move forward. Okay. So here it broke through the box range.
Yeah.
And it opened lower and then closed even lower. Twice in a row, and it could potentially be a falling window.
Yeah, I agree.
If there is a block there. Both of those things which are not so good. Let's see, that's 5.0. The black candle in the session shown in 5.4 breaks a multi-week support level. The bears are now in control. Good, yeah. Okay. And let me see how many of these. Before you do this, 5.40, how many questions are there total? Let's see if we could do it.
4, 7, 4, 5, 9. Many are there. 5, 3, 5, 6, 6, 6, 8, 6, 9,
Oh, boy.
7, 0.
Oh,
I
no,
think
these are
7.
questions.
Yeah.
Wait, these are at the questions. We went too far. 5.24.
No, answer starts from
5.6, 5. The book doesn't do a great job of numbering these things. 5.3, 5.2. Okay, answers. So they go up to 5. Oh, there's only 4 more to go.
okay.
So, and we were just at, I just did this one, right? Okay,
Yeah.
your job is this one. Go ahead.
Okay. So here, of course, there is a fall. It's become falling window. There's a gap, and it's reached that supporting area created by that raising window.
Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. What would we call this? Is this a shooting star because?
Shooting star comes after uptrend, right?
Yeah, but there is an uptrend. Look, 1, 2,
Oh,
right?
oh,
Or falling star, shooting star, falling star, something like that. I think it's a shooting star, falling star.
but star is like there should be a 2 white lines. Then in between comes the whatever, the like falling or.
But we do it. We have these 2 white bodies right here. 1, 2.
No, it should be after that. There should be a one more candle, right? After the star.
3?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look. 5.85, a falling window is now potential resistance. Thus far, the late January rising window is now next potential support. While the candle line is the same shape as a shooting star, it's not classified as such because it came after a decline rather than a rally. I see. So that
Okay.
even though this is going up a little bit, I guess they're not this. They would consider this a rally, not just 2. Okay. And okay, now we have a new rising window. And
Yeah.
After a doji at the bottom, and then it's that's looking pretty good.
No, it's
Oh wait, but it got stopped at this level of resistance right here.
yeah.
So you'd have to wait to see if it breaks beyond this first to decide if you think it's going to be going up further.
I agree.
Okay. The bearish signal is not surprised. It's the dark cloud. Look at this. Now, remember, it was 5.85. Now it says 5.54. So now it's going back to those questions that it skipped earlier. That's annoying. 5.58. We need to find, what do we need to find? 5.85. 5.85. I have answers to 5.85. No, so we don't have those answers there. So that's no problem. So then now we're bringing it all together. Oh boy. Okay, so we'll start next week with bringing it all together, real world charts. Shall we open up Webull and see if we can do something?
Yeah.
Let's try. Why? Oh, I'm in a private window, so it's not going to bring up the. And let me stop sharing for 1 second. I'll log in. And then we'll get started. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see if we can get it up to a little bit higher than 133.28. So we want to look at market. Oh, they have crypto trading now. Did you see that?
Yeah. They
Set
do
up
have,
by crypto trading. So, okay, most active. And it's not showing me the price. I don't know why. Let me just click on this. Oh no, I don't want most active. I want top gainers. Let me go back.
It doesn't look great today.
Oh. NXTD, LMFA,
NX,
or MEUSW. What's MEUSW? 23andMe.
which one?
And then
USW. AL7.
so okay, so here we got the 5-minute charts here. It's stuck at this level of,
There is no much volume in this.
why not?
It's only 400, 200 and yeah, volume is 330, 239K. I don't think it's
Where are you looking at that? Where are you seeing that?
volume. I saw here in my desktop app, but I'm not sure where we see.
Oh, the volume is not good?
Not good.
Let me see just the 1 minute. Yeah. All right, let's see if there's another one. Let's see. AEHL.
AEHL, let's see.
Antelope Enterprise.
AEHL. Okay. 1 minute. Volume is good.
Yeah, this one's much better.
Yeah, chart is
It's been hovering
for
for a long time.
yeah. That's,
Hmm. They got 26% revenue growth. That was, oh, but that was September 30th. That was a long time ago. There's no real big news for this company.
no, yeah.
It jumped up this morning, but now it's back to where it was. So probably
Doesn't
not.
look good.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, let me see. AMPGW.
AM
Amplitech.
Okay. Oh, volume is 100.
Oh my gosh, look at this. This looks horrible.
Yep.
Chart.
There's no volume at all.
Nothing with that. All right, maybe go to a higher valued one. Let's go to LMFA.
LMFA was morning. It was good. Then it stuck. I don't think good time to again buy now because
Oh, same thing. Yeah, it's kind of.
it's below the
What
it's
we
stuck
could do,
there.
we could go back to the one with the most active here. NXTD. Didn't we trade that before? Oh no, that's the other one, the top gainers.
Yeah, but
Oh,
NXT
but you need
below $1. So
$1. Yeah, that's a problem because I don't want to
Yeah.
do 100 shares.
oh, you can see that CEI Camber Energy that is doing good from last week. But 124 million volume is good.
But that's
oh,
also sluggish. It's not. It's
yeah, it's
got a
there.
big downtrend. Let's see. Maybe there's nothing good to go to today.
I don't think there was any.
BBIG. What's that? Oh, this is not bad. This is something.
Which one?
BBIG.
Let me see. BBIG.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
something we can look at and play with.
Yeah, BBIG looks good because it's above VWAP. Volume is good. 1 minute chart is stuck there. 5 minutes chart looks good. Looks like it's going to raise.
Let me go to, let's see, BBIG.
Yeah, I think you can try this one, 8.6.
All right.
No, it's coming down. 1 minute chart is a
Yeah, so I'm
downtrend now.
looking at the 1 minute chart too.
Yeah, that's downtrend.
You know, we could also learn, like, eventually how to sell something short. I mean, we could get margin account and just sell and make sure we don't do more than $20 worth. So that
Okay.
even if you lose all the money,
Mhm.
you know, we're not going broke. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay.
No, it doesn't look good.
Well, for the moment, we can see.
Yeah, not for the moment yet. Wait, yep. For the
Might-
right moment.
Look, if you look at the 5 minute chart, it's not terrible.
Yeah, 5 minutes looks good.
10 minutes looks really good.
Yes, it's an uptrend. Same
Yeah.
with the 15. 10 minutes.
And for 1 hour, so the breaking point is, let me see. The point that we want to break is around
This one?
8.65. If it can get past 8.65,
Mhm.
maybe we should put a limit
It's-
order to buy at
it's-
8.65.
But it's breaking point. What is that? Like
Can
8
you see
point?
my
Yeah.
screen?
Yeah, I can see your
I mean,
screen.
look at this, the resistance right here is at 8.614.
Okay.
So if we can get past that, that's a good sign.
Yeah, but it's resist. It might be like its support might be there, right? Like previous I 9.06. It's not much profit then. 0.5. Yes. But 8.6 to 9 is 0.4. Yeah, that's good.
That's good, right?
Yep.
So if we can get it to, let me see, buy, let me just get it ready. Limit order at 8 point, oh, that's cool. How did it choose 8.61?
It has like when it is
Okay, stop loss order, and then take profit 8.78. Quantity,
Stop loss is 8.18. But why you are buying at limit price at
oh, it's $8.61.
8.61?
I don't want to buy a lot of these. Like I'll buy like two.
Wait, it's 8.5 is the price, limit price.
No, I have it at 8.61.
Oh, okay. One minute. Let me see. BBIG. Fire 2. 50. No, it's coming down. 48, 49.
Yeah, 8.48. Still, oh, I'm on the 1 hour
No,
chart.
don't buy, don't buy, don't buy.
I'm not. No, right
Like
now,
1
looking
minute,
at the 2-minute chart, it's not
1
good at
minute.
all.
Yeah, good at all.
1 minute.
Even 1 minute, yeah, it's gone.
Well, I mean, it would have
Maybe
been fine because I'm doing it as a limit order to buy at 8.61. So it wouldn't have even executed.
no, it will execute, right? It's a limit order. Like if it's a price is
No, a limit
less.
order is it needs to be 8.61 or higher. So the fact that it's 8.46, it would not execute.
For sure, with the limit or whenever buying, if the
Yeah,
price is less.
that's what you're doing. You're making sure that you buy it at a minimum price. Or I'm pretty
No,
sure.
it's already less, right? It's 8.45. It will be order will be executed at 8.45, the current price, right?
Oh,
Since you are putting the order at higher price, but the market price is less, it will execute with a lesser price, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe you're right. Let me check. Let's do a search right now. Limit order. I forget which one it is. At a specific price or better. Which
Or
means
better.
you're right. Yeah, you're right. So then how could I set it so that it buys it?
Why you want to, when you are getting at a lesser price, why you want to buy at a higher price?
Oh, you're right. I don't know what I'm talking about.
That's okay. I know.
Well, actually, no. I mean, I know what I'm talking about. The fact that I wanted to buy it at when it passed that resistance level. But all right, let's go here. We're going back up again now.
Yeah, now it's looks little bit. Yeah, it looks good. I think now you can do at 8.5, maybe. Five minutes doesn't look that great, but still good. 8.549.
All right, I just let me see what. All right, it just executed.
Okay. It's a 2-minute chart you are looking at, right? Okay.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 2-minute.
Mhm.
And I gave it to a limit price to sell it 8.65.
Mhm.
You know, though technically I probably shouldn't have bought it right at this point because this candle hasn't closed yet. So we made a
You're
buy
right.
decision, just the
Yeah.
fact that it was showing green,
Mhm.
but it could very well close going
We're
down.
looking at 2 minutes chart, but in the 1 minute chart, it's like last two candles are green. So
Okay, yeah, so we did get a green candle, but it's a doji
mhm.
on the 2-minute chart. Let me see 1 minute. 1 minute, this third one, the last one closed lower. Let's see. 2 minutes. The 2 minutes chart is still looking okay. My gut feeling though is that it's going to go back up to 8.65 sometime today. I'm pretty sure that, I mean, looking at this, it's hovering in that area, and 8.65 is not that high. Oh wait, did I not? No, I did. Oh, why didn't the stop the limit?
Yeah.
Order? Oh no, I do have a stop.
You do have a stop at 8.08.
And the target of 8.67. Okay,
Right,
so that's
yeah.
good. We're at 8.48 now, 8.49. So we're still in that same range where it was. Okay, the 2 minute chart's looking good. 8.56.
BPI
8.57. Come on, big. Let's go big. Big.
I think you can. It will go. Yeah. Because 1 minute chart really looks good. It's a big candle, and 5 minutes also looking good. It might go
1
to
minute
up
is
to,
fantastic.
yeah.
2 minutes. $8.65 though requires that it breaks through that resistance. Maybe you should just sell it right now, because it might not go through the resistance. Let me just put a sell. Oh, is it going to go up? Is it going to go through the resistance? It's 8.62. Come on, come on, come on. 8.6. Push. Push harder. You can do it, big. 8.58. 8.6, 8.61. It's trying so hard. Come on, let's see 8.62. Haven't seen that yet. 8.6, 8.6, 8.6, 8.58. Oh. Let me modify it to, how can I modify my orders? Where can I see my order? Oh, here it is, down here. Let me modify it instead of 8.67. How can I? Why won't it let me change this? Bhavya, how do I modify it? It's not even showing me the whole window. Modify.
Yeah.
There we go. We're at 8.59, 8 point. We had that doji right there in the middle. Look at that. And it didn't know what it was doing.
I think that you should not modify, because it's like both 1 minute chart and 5 minutes looks good. So it might cross that.
Oh gosh. Looking like, I hate when you see it red and it turns red. Looks like a pit in your stomach. 8.61. Come on, push, push. 8.62. That was the first time I hit 8.62. 8.63. 8.64. It's going to do it. Boom, sold. 8.66. Oh no, we need one more. One more. Oh, don't go down. Go up. Come on. Come on. 8.6.
It will go.
It's killing me. And up. Boom. Did it. Made the profit. Excellent. Good job, team. So let's look at the what do we got so far? Markets. Where's my account? I just want to see what am I up to 134? How do I see? Like, I hate I can't. I don't how to. Is it settings? No.
No, this one. No. Click on that last but icon. Last but one.
Oh,
Yep.
there it is. I think we're at
Not the
one.
last one. Last before one. The last one. Before the last one. Yep.
This one here.
Mm.
Oh, it also. Yeah. Okay.
That's icon.
Oh, almost 134. 133.98. Let's go back to that where we were before. Here's big. Let's just take a look at it again. Let's keep watching it and just see. So it's 8.63 now. That how wild that 8.67, what we chose, is now
I
the
think-
new high.
Yeah, but
Oh, not anymore. It just went to 8.68.
Yeah. It will go up because it's like both 1 minute candle, especially 5 minute looks good actually in MACD chart. MACD chart looks good, so it might go up to around 9 now. Looks like that. Let's see. Not sure.
Oh no, oh, that was just the high for that period. The high
Yep.
is actually for recently today, 9.06.
Yeah.
Very interesting. It's at 8.65, and it's probably going up. And let me just prepare another one. Maybe we're going to sell. Day. Limit. Percentage. They've improved it now, where it automatically just click percentage and it changes to the percentages you've set as your so. This
But,
is
yeah.
easier to do. It's about 1.69 now.
But it is now 1 minute. 1 minute chart doesn't look good. So don't put that.
The 2-minute chart though looks really good.
Oh, it's going up. But it's risky at this point. I'm not sure.
And I just did it again. So let's keep an eye on it. All right, I got it at 8.78.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I bought it at 8.7. Wait, what did I buy it? Oh, I bought it at 8.78. Okay, so we've got 3 in the 2-minute chart, increasing green candles. But the last one is a little bit of a like a shooting star a little bit, but it's not, it didn't end. I don't know if the color of it matters. All right, we're at 8.7. Oh, we were at 8.77. Seven four. What's the 1 minute looking like? 1 minute's still not bad. 5 minutes, okay. But 8.71. That's not good. You know, I shouldn't have. I think the lesson I just learned to do is stop buying when the candle hasn't ended yet. Because I think I got it during that part where it was that
Right.
kind of the falling star one, and it went up to like 8,780. But I should have waited and saw that it closed at 8.72. Then I could have purchased it, and it would have been already getting towards a profit. You got to always remember, wait till I wish there were a timer that shows how long until the current candle is going to close. Like right now, the candle just ended. We don't know. Is this next red one going to? Gosh, we've got a doji, and now it's going. $8.78, but now it's at 8.2. It's kind of stuck at 8.72. And so the stop is there. Let me just look, what's it been like over the last a longer period of time? Okay, so it's definitely quite a high. Oh my gosh, it was just at like 6.5 yesterday. And now it's at 9. Wow.
What's the news? Does that have news? PPIG?
I still, looking at this, looking at the wider picture here, I think before the end of the day, it'll hit 8.96.
See the day chart? What was the day chart?
It's well, maybe not 8.96. I think it can go up to this ceiling, this resistance of what? 8.78. That was the mistake too. Shouldn't have bought it at, look at that. I bought it at 8.78, and that's that resistance level right there, which is a difficult thing to break through.
Its day chart looks really good, actually.
The which one?
Day chart. Day, yeah.
Oh, I see. And look, it was once $12.50. Okay, so that's a different resistance level, which is here 9.239, which means it's probably headed back up there.
Possible, yeah. Slowly it might go there.
Now it's at 8.64. 8.67. I'm going to change the limit to from 8.96 to just so I make a profit. I bought it at 8.78, so I'll bring it down to 8.82. Can't hear you.
With a profit of 4 cents.
Yeah, like I said, don't need to be greedy. 8 let me see, 8.9, 8.88, 50 cents. Because all I wanted to do was get to $134. So let me bring it down here. I'll make a profit of, I'll go a little bit higher.
No, 10. Yeah, a little bit. I think it should go.
It's 20 cents.
Wait,
Eight.
5 minutes. Still, you should keep it higher for you. That's okay. Let's see.
But the way that it's hovering, I mean, even if it gets back up to 8.78 is a good success. I'll keep here. Okay, 8.83, 25-cent profit. Because again, if we go to percentage, let me just go to percentage and see. Let's see what like a 2% profit is. Whoop. Yeah, 2% is 30 cents. So if I go to 25 cents, that's like a 1.1. That's still not terrible. I'll do it that. All right, submit. Okay, did that work? Why does it say limit price 8.96? Oh, there it is, 8.8. Okay, just change. Yeah, I feel better about that. And all right, the 2-minute chart, if it closes where it is now, it's on the rebound. Yes, good. So that's good. And but 8.83 is still quite higher than it's been in the last hour and a half. So what are we at? We're at 8.71. 1 minute. 1 minute has been looking very good.
Yeah.
Okay. But it's stuck. It's stuck like right around 8.75 now. It's not going above that. 3-minute chart is very indecisive. 5-minute chart looks very good. Very promising.
Right. I think it, let's see, never know whether it goes which
Oh,
direction.
it's at 8.67. 10-minute chart. 10-minute chart looks good. 15 minutes good. 30 minutes, not bad. 1 hour is looking fairly good. 2 hours looking fantastic. 4 hours, not bad. Day chart, as you said, is looking very good. Week, it's not bad, but so-so. It's not enough information. Month, questionable.
It's a very, in a weekly chart, isn't it? Very bullish candle, that one.
It's an extremely bullish candle. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
gone through a lot of barriers and jumped through a lot. Now it's 8.67, 8.68. I'm wondering if it doesn't, I could, just leave it here. It's good till canceled. What I could potentially do is change it to just good for the day. And then tomorrow look at it and see, has it gone up?
Mhm.
I don't think it's gonna go down a lot.
Even I don't think so. By looking at all the charts, like 4 hour, week.
I don't think it's gonna stumble
Mm,
back to where it was.
right.
Yeah. $8.63. Yeah, that stop is pretty low. But at the same time, earlier this day, it did drop down there. Look, at 11 a.m., it was at $8.18.
Hmm.
So it's not out of the question.
Right.
This morning, it was at like $7.97. So,
Mm.
but there is that, God, it's a tough call on this one. I don't want to lose. Part of me thinking is, does it make sense to close out? It would be, I'd basically lose what I just gained if I were to sell here, but selling here doesn't make sense, I don't think.
Um,
A 5-minute chart is just hovering. 2 minutes.
big IG.
Oh gosh, now it's not looking good on the 2-minute chart.
It's completely showing different. 8.48.
5 minutes, it's starting to show a downturn.
Mm.
I got too greedy, had to do the second trade. Um, I think in a few minutes, I'm just gonna let it sit here. And
Okay.
I'll take a look at it later this afternoon and
Mm.
hope the stop loss gets canceled
Mm.
and not the limit order. Oh, it's going back up on the 1-minute chart.
Yeah. One-minute chart.
2-minute, if it can close here, it's holding at that. Look at the 3-minute chart. No, that's not a hammer, is it?
Mm.
The 3-minute chart.
Is it after the downtrend it's coming, right?
Is that a hammer?
I'm looking whether it's a downtrend. It doesn't look like that much downtrend. It's in a box, right?
Yeah. Ten minutes. Well, the 10-minute chart still looks good though. It's like slowly rising back up to. Okay, 2-minute chart is looking better.
1 minute, 2 minute, or 5 minutes looking good.
Come on. Going. 1 minute. 1 minute looks very good. Starting to improve. Okay, 1 minute just took a tank. 1 minute's horrible, horrible. What is it doing? 2 minutes looking terrible. 3 minutes looking pretty bad. 5 minute is looking bad. This is not good. I've already got an unrealized loss of $1.05. Okay, but it looks like it just met resistance down, support at like around 8 from back at 12 o'clock noon. So that's good. Good. Go the other way. Go the other way. We need to make our profit. Okay, I'm back down to 90 cents, or at least no loss, please.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get a quick snack. I'll be right back. Maybe when I come back, it'll have sold.
Okay.
I'll be back in 1 minute. Did it go up to $10? No. Okay, well, it's at 861 again. It's not. It's definitely in a box between 856 and about like 874. In a very short while, I can't look at this anymore. It just broke through. That's bad. I don't know. I don't know what it's going to do.
I think it will be in between that range.
Hmm?
It's hovering between that range in the box. Yeah.
It won't go, it's not going below there and it's not going above. Maybe I should change the limit price to what I bought it for. No hope of maybe just breaking, of not losing money. 2-minute chart. 3-minute. I don't know, but if you look at the 3-minute chart, it's got a definite uptrend. Right? Look at that. From 11 a.m. to now, it's still going up.
Yeah. Higher rise. Yeah, it looks good actually. Yeah.
Can I get above 8.65? It hasn't been up there in a while. Come on. Eight 8.64, 8.63, 8.64. Push. Push. Come on, bulls. Four. 8.66. Hooray. Good. 8.67. Hooray. Good. Good. Now just close on that on the 3-minute chart. Come on. 8.67. Hit. Come on. 8.68. Big money. Let's go. Come on. There you go. 8.68. Good. 8.68.
1 minute really.
It's trying hard to get above that. If it can get up to 8.69 and close, that's a good sign. Good, 8.69, and it closed. Good. It closed at what? It closed at 8.68. Now it's at 8.7. I wish I could just press the mouse button many times, and the faster I press it, the higher the price would go. Can we artificially push the price up by? This is a positive sign right now.
Yeah.
And again, it's showing, you look at that 3-minute chart, it's trying so hard to get above. If we can get above like 8.75, it's on the right track. Let me see, 1 minute. 1 minute looking good, but starting to go down again. Has a really big box range. 2 minutes, okay. 10-minute still looks very good.
Yeah.
It's trying very hard to get above. 8.3 is still very ambitious. 8.83.
Yeah.
You'd have to get up to its close to its high for the day.
Mhm.
Wow. All right. Well, I think we can stop for today. We'll both keep on. For those of you who are watching this on YouTube, you can check what the price was on October 15th, 2021 for this symbol, BBIG, and see if in the afternoon it went above 8.78 at least once. And if so, you know that I was happy. If it ends up going down below 8.34, you know that I'm going to be very sad. So it was another good exercise. And again, for those of you watching into, it's not about whether we win or lose the money. Bhavya and I are still just trying, or we're doing our best. We're trying to put these principles into practice. We're using real money, but low amounts. So if I lose $5 or $1.50, okay, that's a very inexpensive lesson in terms of like some of the things like don't buy until the candle is completed.
Yeah.
Because you look at it and you see it going up and you think, oh, it's on and then in 20 seconds, it turns to a big fat red candle. So that's my big lesson for today. And we'll see what happens with it. Please subscribe, please click like, share this video with your friend. If you want to join us and talk to us about our trading strategies and share yours as well, come join us at breakdiving.io. The link is in the description. Bhavya, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Now I'm saying goodbye.